All right, listen up, gentlemen. I know a lot of you guys out there are divorced, maybe even recently divorced. And the advice you hear over and over again is wait at least a year before you get out there again and date. Now, as I've told you before, I don't like sticking to rote timelines, rote routines for anything in particular when it comes to dating and relationships because every situation is different. If you have gone through something extremely traumatic and you need to go through counseling before you get out there and date again, hey, that's one thing. But I don't think it's a default setting that your divorce happens, a big breakup happens, wait an entire year. In my way of thinking, guys, you're just giving yourself an entire year to feel sorry for yourself and be incredibly lonely and drown in dirty videos. Okay? Guys, go make friends with female human beings. I don't recommend rebound relationships where you get with a woman and suddenly kind of glom onto her because you need a girlfriend. Go out, be social. Figure out women aren't as bad as your ex. Figure out maybe you got some growing to do and get on with it. It's part of being a man is relating to women. You don't have to get into a relationship. You don't even have to have sex just yet. But do get out there and be social. That is my advice to you. Scott McKay from X and Y Communications. Be good out there.